Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description, and we're asked to determine whether it is one-to-one. So in this problem, we have the function g of x is equal to the cube root of x. So what we do is we're going to graph this function. And we start with the graph of x cubed, which is one of the standard functions that we know. And we use the fact that if we take y equals x cubed, we take the inverse of it, switching x and y, we get x equals y cubed, and then we can take the cube root of both sides. The cube root of y cubed is just y, is equal to the cube root of x. This is the inverse of x cubed, which is what I have graphed right here. So I have to simply reflect this function over the line y equals x because it's the inverse. And therefore, it's going to look something like this. Just to make it a little bit clearer, I'll draw it separately. We just need the rough shape of the graph as something like this. And we're asked whether this function is one-to-one. The way we do this is using the horizontal line test, which states that any horizontal line placed through the function can only intersect it once. And we can see, no matter what line we put in, there's only one intersection point. Therefore, yes, the function is one-to-one.